Good afternoon. Well, it might not be afternoon where you're watching this, but today, with no notice, I've decided to groom my TifTuf. Now, I've got a groomer that Shane Benton made for me. I don't know how I got it actually. I think Shane, I don't know, I bought a 14-inch Scott Bonnar and he put the groomer in it. It won't be the best video because I'm making it, and it's also going to be made 100% on my phone. For anyone that's producing content or looking to produce content and using that they don't have a good SLR as an excuse, this is evidence that it is not an excuse. So that's Lucy, my daughter, running around picking up all the stuff off the lawn because somehow they decided to smash PVC fittings all over the lawn the other day. I've never used the groomer before. I don't know how to use it. I don't even know if it'll start. It hasn't been started for probably 18 months. And I'm just going to run it over the lawn a couple of times and see what happens. So let's see how this thing goes. See if I can make a video on my own with this groomer. Alright, now I have been a bit of a one-start wonder with the other mowers, with the Unicorn that Max seemed to struggle with. As I said, this hasn't been started for a while. Let's see how we go. Oh no. Fuel is on. That's on as well. Alright, I don't know if you saw that, but that thing, she's on. I think she's running, doing some weird shit. Hang on a sec. That was a bit fast. I'm not sure. I can't keep up. I'm not sure if I'm meant to be just grooming it and picking up the stuff later with my rotary, or just keep going. I don't even think I've got a rotary anymore. Actually, I think I gave it to Matt. So I'll just do the best I can. See how it goes. Alright, I have no idea if I'm doing this properly, but Jesus. I think I might Anyway, as I said in a lot of other videos, just do your best, right? You just do better than yesterday. This lawn is so thatchy, and I kind of feel guilty that I'm throwing it away, because I know there's plenty of people that would probably take TifTuf thatch at the moment, but that would complicate my life. And my life's complicated enough already. So, yeah, let's see how we go. I'm not sure if you're meant to mow before you do this, so I'm just going to run the mower over it at the same time. Hopefully this amuses someone.